The Virtual Office for Salesforce Communication panel allows you to integrate your 8x8 and Salesforce experience, making it easy to make calls and access information from a single location. There are three main tabs for the Communication panel: the Phone tab, the Call Log tab, and the Directory tab. The Phone tab allows you to make calls with the dial pad. Click the buttons to make a call. The Call Log tab shows all of your recent call activity while the Virtual Office for Salesforce Communication panel is open. Hover over the caller ID to see options. Click on the phone icon to call the contact, or click the task icon to open up this particular record to add notes. The call will appear under the Unworked section if the call has no call outcomes attached. You can add an outcome with the task icon. Once saved, the contact will be removed from the Unworked section. In the Directory tab, you will find all of your company contacts and Salesforce contacts. The icons change based on whether it is an 8x8 contact or a Salesforce contact. If it is an 8x8 contact, you can send them a chat message or call through Virtual Office. If it is a Salesforce contact, you can open up the Salesforce record or make a call. There is also a drop-down menu which gives you access to settings, reporting problems, help documentation, and more. Supervisors who have special permissions have access to a link called Team Settings. You can also log out from the application here. Be aware that if you are using the single sign-on feature, logging out of Salesforce will also log you out of the Communication panel. To make a warm transfer while on a call to another employee or Salesforce contact, find the contact in the tab and call the contact. Once the call connects, you may introduce the caller to the contact you are about to transfer. After the introduction, click on the Transfer button. You will be brought to the Transfer panel. Select the number you would like to transfer the call to and then hang up. If transferring to an external contact, click on New Line and dial their number. Once the call connects, you may introduce the caller to the contact you are about to transfer. After the introduction, click on the Transfer button. You will be brought to the Transfer panel. Select the number you would like to transfer the call to and then hang up. If making a blind transfer, click on the Transfer button. Call the contact you wish to transfer to. The call will automatically connect the two contacts and your line will end. You can record a call by clicking on the Record button in the Call Control panel.
This call is being recorded.
Clicking it again will end the recording.
This call is no longer being recorded.
To access your recordings, go to the Virtual Office desktop application. Go to your More tab and then click on the Recordings tab. You can listen, download, forward, or delete the recordings. When you are on a call and would like to put it on hold, go to your Call Control panel and click on the Pause button. To resume the call, click on the Play button. Virtual Office for Salesforce plugin also lets you merge calls so you can bring in expert resources or pass hot leads easily. To add other people to your existing call, first place your call on hold by clicking the Hold button. If the person you would like to add is another employee or Salesforce contact, find the contact in the tab and call the contact. Once the call connects, click the Merge button and your call will become active. If the person you would like to add is an external contact, click on New Line and dial their number. Once the call connects, click the Merge button and your call will become active. Call logs and follow-ups are a great way to keep your call details organized. Call logs can help you keep track of how a call went, what was discussed, and whether or not it was successful. Follow-ups help you arrange the next step to speed up your workflow. When a call ends, you will automatically be moved to the Assign page if no matching number is found in Salesforce or if multiple numbers are found. Here, you can assign the call to a new or existing contact. To assign the call to an existing Salesforce record, identify the appropriate record below. Once the correct record is found, hover over the name and click on the checkmark icon. To assign the call to a new contact, click Create New and then Contact. Fill in the contact information. Don't forget to click Save. You will find the newly created record as a possible match on the Assign page and click on the checkmark icon. It may take some time to update, so refresh the page if necessary. After assigning the contact, you will be moved to the Notes page where you can add information regarding the call, schedule follow-up calls, and create call outcomes. If you would like to schedule a follow-up call, click on Create Follow-up. You can name your task, set your task status, and choose a date for this follow-up. You can also set a priority for this task. Save the follow-up, and then click Save and Close to complete the call log. Refresh the page, and the follow-up task will appear under the My Task section.